right, so we have where are we going? Oh, so we're going to Glendale, Arizona. We have a training for Hayward that invited us to go over there and train with some of their equipment. We're super excited. We brought all the degenerates with us, and they're gonna be training also. That's it. That's where we're going, Arizona. Of course, we couldn't go just driving. You know, we had to get a limo to take us over there. And international places. There we go. We got this guy, that guy, guy.
I just got on.
Kind of regret buying them the uniform.
We're selling these bowls over here. You guys want fire bowls? You hit me up right here on Instagram.
No, Maciel, I said the water goes in the pool.
We're in Arizona. We're still in California. We're in the Morongo vicinity, wherever that is. We're in Taco Bell. We got to get what we can get. And we're headed to Arizona.
How do you like your road trip so far, Marlon?
Real good.
Y'all done paid for them tacos? We got the police outside? We're here. We definitely made it.
Are we leaving our bags in here?
Let's go.
I need to charge my laptop. He's prepping the room. He's prepping the room for you.
Oh yeah.
So we get our own room. Yeah.
They're integrated with us.
You guys have a good enough drive out here?
Oh, it was a great drive.
We made it.
That way you can have
Finally.
7-hour drive.
You brought the cheese.
You brought the
cheese.
I brought the big gun.
What's up, man? How you doing? Good. What's up? How you doing? How you been, brother? Haven't seen you in a while. Been there at the All-Star. How you doing?
I was supposed to tell you.
Got the whole crowd. Look at this guy. Way overdressed for the game. That's his trademark right there.
Right, good.
It was long, man.
I gotta check out the
Worst way to travel.
I gotta see.
Appreciate it.
You can't get in.
No. Okay, we just finished our meeting with Hayward, hands-on. We're here for a few hours. We got trained on all the things they have and, you know, really awesome technology that they're incorporating. Some of their stuff is like the automation, the filters, the pumps. So we got hands-on training, a thorough understanding of why their product is better, and we're really happy to be partnered up with them.
Filter right here.
This is bigger than a linebacker.
You got that right?
Lead designer over here. He's camera shy.
We just finished the Hayward training. It was really good. They invited us to Arizona to come to their facilities for their training center. And I mean, I couldn't be more grateful. We learned a lot. We trained our guys so we can explain the product better to the customers, give better customer service. And for all your technical questions, ask Lenny. I'll see you. We came to Arizona, we met with our really good friends and our customers from OC Poolscapes, the botanist, El Botánico.
Yes, sir.
And yeah, we met over here today. We invited them to the training facility. OC Poolscapes, botanists together, working together. They work the Arizona market, we work the California market. It's all good under the sun.
Yeah.
All right, and
We appreciate it. We learned a lot today. We appreciate the invite. Definitely pioneers in the industry, so we're very glad to learn from them and to also be by their side as we make, presence here in Arizona.
Okay guys, we are in Arizona. It is day number 2. We got a couple of fallen soldiers. We're not calling people out by name, but we went out, we had a great time last night. We worked hard, partied hard, trained, and now we're back at it. We're gonna do some more training. There you go.
day 2 at 6 a.m. in the morning.
No, we already snitched on you. We said we had some fallen soldiers.
You did? Day 2 of training, here we go.
I'm Salesman of the Month, Michael Elliott. It's huge.
All right, so we're touring the facility right now. This is where all the distribution for the west side of the United States. If you can draw a line anywhere from Texas all the way to the west to California, right? So everything ships out of here and internationally. There's a lot of equipment here. There's about $45 million worth of pool equipment in this facility right now. So that's one thing that we wanted to make sure. We wanted to partner up with a company that had inventory, because during those COVID days, nobody had inventory. It was great. It was difficult to find. Still to this day, sometimes it's difficult to find to get pool equipment as quick as we need it. Sometimes we need it one day to the next, and they don't have everything that we need. So we want to partner up with a company that had everything in stock and everything ready to go, so we can have enough equipment for whenever we need it right away. So that's what we're touring this place. So they told us to come over here and they'll show us how much equipment they actually had, and they have a lot.
Just walking us through the pool heater and how they get in transit. I guess the pool heater, you use it to heat the pool. Yeah, that makes sense.